Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to solve a differential equation question. Before I start, please remember to subscribe this channel so you don't miss the latest updates, and also give us the thumbs up to continue support the community of this channel. All right, let's have a look at this differential equation question. So we've got equations given, which is the equation. All right, this is the equation we are now. And the question says we got a slope field. So slope field is the field slope in the various points in the grid. So there are lots of points. So what the slope will be looking like. So because domain is here, domain is x belongs to -6 to the +6. So slope fields are looking like spread on the left and on the right. But this question is only need to consider on the left-hand side, which is the negative side of x. The first question we want to solve for the slope value for point A. So which is the question says, A says, we need to find the derivative y with respect to x when x equal to -4, which is the coordinate of the x, and y coordinate is -2 for the point A. So we need to find the question mark. So let's do that. So we substitute, we know dy dx is already given. We replace x with a -4, x with y with -2. So we substitute equations, so we'll get the derivative of the slope field. The value for point A is -3/4. So we're done with question A. Question B, we need to find the solution curve. So solution to that equation, so we want to draw the curve. So let's do the solution first. But we also give a point, this is a point B, -6 and 3, 5. So which is this one? 3.5. So we need let's consider the solution first. I'm going to solve for this exponential differential equation. So first I'm going to isolate the variables. So y to the left, x on the right. So then integrated both sides, we will get the left-hand side is a log. Now don't forget to put an absolute value. Y -4. On the right, we're also using the log plus c. So now we're going to decide what a c is. So in order to decide c, we replace, because these two values on the graph, so we substitute. Y is positive 3.5 on the left, so we -1.5. On the right is x is -6, so we want to solve for c. So I'm going to find that, so half to the top become square root of 6. Absolute -6 is positive, so the answer using the log notation, 1.5 times square root 6. So the answer is 1.3. So that's approximate. So therefore, this C is approximately 1.3. So we come to here. So we come to the equation. But we need to do the y in relation to x. So we need to find out what is solution. So let's take off 2 on the both sides. We times by 2 by both sides. So we move log x to the left. So 2.6, so 1.3 times by 2 is 2.6. Then we got 2, if I move to the top, becomes square. So then combine, remember we can combine 2 log, if it's addition, become product. So then I'll undo the absolute value. So therefore we got 2 branches, positive and negative e to the power of 2.6. But which branch should we choose? So remember we want to draw the graph on the left of the field, of the slope field. So therefore I'm going to choose the x as a negative value. So if it's a negative value, means if it's because the y minus 4 to the power 2 is always positive, so therefore I need to choose the negative side of equation, so therefore I'm choosing negative side. So then I'm going to decide the next point is called point C, which is the x-intercept. So how do you do x-intercept? We choose y equal to 0, then substitute the equation, so we will find out what x is. So negative 4 squared is 16, so the answer is a negative 0.84. So therefore the C is y into the x-intercept, so which is that one. So now I'm going to 2 points. I'm going to use the curve to draw the graph. So I'm going to start with from here, start from B, then join to C. But obviously you cannot touch the y-axis because x cannot be equal to 0. So if you look at the function, your x is denominator cannot be 0. So y equal to, so x equal to 0, which is y-axis is asymptote. So that's the curve we draw for the solution of the differential equation. So that's the other question. It's a little bit hard because of involved with the solving a differential equation and also using log laws. So hopefully you understand what I have done. So please give us thumbs up if you do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.